When we're ranking acids from most acidic to least acidic, we will focus on these 4 different factors. So the first one is we're going to talk about electronegativity. Then we'll look at size, specifically atomic size, and how that correlates with acidity, resonance structures, and inductive effects. The first one we'll go over is electronegativity. Now remember, when we're looking at these, the stability of the conjugate base is what we're focused on. So with a lot of these questions, what you will do, you will need to figure out the conjugate base of each acid. So remember that, keep that in mind for each example that we're doing. For electronegativity, the higher the electronegative atom or the higher the electronegativity, the higher the acidity. And vice versa for basicity. The higher the electronegativity, the more basic it will be. Let's say looking at our periodic trends, looking back at our electronegativity, remember that fluorine is the most electronegative atom, and then our